So, it's time to think about college. But what are you going to study? Let us help. We're Palomar College, and we train for success. There's a tremendous need for entry-level heating and air conditioning technicians. Get your hands on the latest HVAC units in our state-of-the-art lab. Let our experienced staff break down the technical knowledge. In as little as one semester, you can go from beginner to employment ready. Your new career is waiting, and Palomar will get you there.